All right, hello, big deep breath. Hello, my name is Rich and welcome to my channel, Light Street Creations. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you like what I am about to say. So I am a part-time woodworker slash crafter, and I make things on the side, try to sell them on the weekends at craft fairs to make a little bit of extra cash. Recently, I did 4 craft shows over the period of 6 weeks. I learned some things from it, and I wanted to pass that knowledge on to you. Hopefully, it'll help you in the future. So, number one, the most important thing is foot traffic. You want to have good quality foot traffic. I can't stress this enough. If there's no foot traffic, nobody's buying. If there's a lot of foot traffic and a lot of good quality foot traffic where people are interested in buying, you're going to make a lot of sales. You're going to make some money and have a good day. So some of the things that you want to take into consideration when you're choosing an event. This is like for if you don't really know what craft shows you want to attend or what you want to participate in. Some of the things that you want to look at are advertisement. How well is it advertised? Is it flyers, social media, newspapers, local magazines, radio, television? There's a lot of different ways to advertise, and the more platforms they advertise on, the bigger the better the possibility of more foot traffic. So you also want to look at the location. So if it's kind of hard to get to, if there's no parking, or if it's off the beaten path, you're not going to have the spontaneous stopper buyers. Stopper buyers. Is that even a word? So when it's on a main thoroughfare or a main road, you're going to have people that drive by, see the event, and say, hey, let's stop, let's check it out, and want to actually do the spontaneous stop and walk and check out and see what's actually going on, and then you can get your potential buyers that way. So location is pretty important. Number three, it's the size of the event. So the size matters, ladies and gentlemen. So if it's 10 or 15 vendors, it's going to be a smaller event. You're going to have smaller foot traffic. If you have 50, 100, 200, sometimes you could have 300 or more vendors. There's going to be a lot more foot traffic, and you're going to do a lot better with potential sales. So, and finally, how long has the event been going on for? And what I mean is it something that is quarterly, monthly, weekly? Is it something that has been going on for 20 years, or is it the first time this event has actually happened? If it's the first time, more than likely you're not going to have a lot of foot traffic unless there's the lightning in a jar and you get the foot traffic and you make the sales. But for the most part, if it's the first time the event is happening, don't put your expectations really high. If it's been going on for 20 years, obviously it's a successful show, and you're going to have that foot traffic, and you know that your expectations are going to be really high because this thing has been going on for 20 years. Obviously something's been working right. So that's it. I just wanted to make a short video. I hope you enjoyed it. I've had plenty of takes on this to be as jovial as possible. But that's it. Yes, advertisement, location, size, frequency, all of that stuff. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time. How do I turn this thing off?